Everybody, guess what I'm doing? I'm making some carnitas, but I'm smoking it. Oh, yeah, I want you to see that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. And this is my smoker machine. So the seasoning that I've used is got onion, garlic, coarse pepper and salt. It has a little bit of cinnamon, brown sugar. I put chili powder, Cajun spice on it. Gotta have that Cajun spice. And then you just like blend the shit together, right? You blend it together, and then I'm gonna smoke this for like 6 hours, and then I pull it out, right? I pull it out, and then I put it back in the foil, cover it up, and let it cook under foil for like another 4 or 5 hours. So when this shit is done, it falls apart. Then you fry it, and I will film that part. So when people say a white man can't make carnitas, well, you're wrong, because I'm just not any white man. Well, I guess I am. Okay, I'm a cracker, no big deal. But I make a damn good carnitas, and it's gonna taste good. So now I open this up. Oh, look at that smoke. And then this thing here is a temperature thing. So this tells me the temperature. You know, it's just awesome. It's just awesome. So I'm gonna put this in there, cook in it, and I'll let you guys know how it comes out. Okay, now my temperature is at 168. Now remember, this is the carnita. This has been cooking actually longer than I was expecting. It's been cooking for about 8 hours. And what I gotta do is we're gonna look at this. We're gonna put it on the pan, put it in the tin foil, and put it back in the smoker. Here we go. Oh, look at that fucking beautiful thing. Isn't that just the most gorgeous thing in the world? Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that. Oh. It's so beautiful. And then guys, this is what you do. Okay? This is a half a cup of oil. Okay? And what you do is, let me get this a little bit over here, because I don't want none of it to spill out. None of it. And then you're gonna pour half a cup of oil. Vegetable oil. Oh, just look at that. Just look. Oh my God. And then you put 2 bay leaves. Then basically, I'm gonna cover this tin foil, put it back in, and cook it at 350. And then it's gonna cook for like another 2-3 hours. And of course, when you guys will see the finished product. It's beautiful. It's awesome. And guys, I forgot to tell you something. When you marinate this, right? You can marinate this with oil, lemon, lime, whatever you want. But you know how I marinate this for 12 hours? Coca-Cola, a 2-liter. Yes, right now you're like, Coca-Cola? Are you fucking crazy? No. Coca-Cola. Because Coca-Cola has the most acid, sugar of all drinks. And that acid and sugar actually breaks into the meat and just adds a little flavor. Not a Coke flavor. Don't think Coca-Cola. But the acid breaks down the barrier so it cooks easier. So yes, you use Coca-Cola to marinate it. Now you can marinate anything you want, but you gotta trust me on this. And then I'm gonna wrap it in tin foil. Of course, I got tin foil right here. And I'm gonna put it back in. Now you can also put it in the oven for 350, because you're not really gonna get no more smoke on it because you have this. But if you want to, you can put it in the oven for 350 or leave it back out here at 350. And guys, you will see the finished product. So beyond that, I'll see you when I pull it out. Here's the final. Oh, let's look at it. Oh my God, let's pull this out. This is my temperature thing. Let's pull these out. Now let's see if we can tear this apart. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh man. And then guys, once you tear this apart, all you do is scoop up some of this juice, and then you're gonna use that juice. Because remember I put some vegetable oil in it, and you're gonna use this juice to fry up the pieces. And then you just put it in a tortilla and it's good. But guys, God damn it. I mean, just look at that shit. Look at that smoke color. Look at that. Dude, life doesn't get better than this. I tell you that right now. This is the most, I don't know what I do with my forks, but what did I do with my forks? Did I lose my forks? I don't know. Look at that. Now this is how you make a Gypsy Road Carnitas. Ah, hoo, hoo, hoo. I hurt myself. Who cares? As long as you got food like this, it's all that matters. And like I said, you heat this up, you fry it, and it's good. And I'll do one last film when I put it on a tortilla. So I'll see you in a second. All right, guys, you can see how the oil's there, and just guys, just look at this. Oh my God. Oh, and then you just take some of this and you just fry it. Look at these carnitas. Oh man. Oh man. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, my mouth is just watering just looking at this. I mean, isn't this just the greatest? Look at that. You can see the smoke colors in it, like the different ring colors, the red. I mean, just, this is how you make carnitas. The Gypsy Road way. So all of you naggers saying you can't use Coke as a marinade, don't look at the results. It's beautiful. All right, I just can't wait to eat some of this. Oh man, here, no, hold on. Oh my God. Oh, it's so wonderful. I'll talk to you later. Now this, my friends, is what a carnitas looks like. Oh my God. And people say I can't cook. You're wrong. Gypsy Road out.